What's up, YouTube? This is TJ Fussell here. I told you I was going to show you how to break down an airbrush for cleaning. These are my, see if you can see that, Model S69 Master Airbrush. I get all my stuff from TCP Global. It's just the first thing I ever started buying from was TCP Global, so I buy from TCP Global. Everybody comments you don't use Badger, you don't use Iwata. I haven't used them because I haven't had the chance to use them because these have been holding up just as good for me. When Badger or Iwata or one of them companies contact me, maybe after I start doing good, and say, hey man, you want to test one of our airbrushes out and we'll give you an airbrush to test out to make a video? Ha! Send them to me, brother. I will test them out. I will only use Badger airbrushes. But until then, Master Airbrushes is nice to me. So let's get into this video real quick. Anyway, you want to take and break it down. The way I start is just break everything down. You got these little, see these little O-rings and stuff on there? I got replacement O-rings for all my stuff, but just make sure you know that that's on there. When you start taking everything off, you'll start noticing them a little bit at a time. You'll see how that is. See it? You just want to make sure there ain't none of them messed up. Just be careful cleaning it. This little wing nut right here. Take the wing nut off. And if you ain't ever took one apart before, please watch how you take it apart. Maybe if you need an instruction manual or something. And this needle, be very careful. Just pull it straight back like this right here, because you do not want to mess up that tip. See that tip right there? Let me see. See it? See how it's got that black paint? Which I've used it. I use this both nights. Okay, I haven't cleaned it. I just used it both nights. I just keep it good and clean. But you want to take and break this part like this. Take everything apart, everything in it. You want everything to be broke down. See how this spring is right here? That spring. You got this little bad boy that comes out right here. Push it forward. Let's see here. Come on, baby. Get my tip out. This little tip. It's got. You got to take and just push it to the back. Now the front right here. This is the one I told y'all I take off. I just put it on here a while ago because for video purposes. But this little thing right here, I take this off all the time. I hardly use that. Matter of fact, I probably won't be able to show you that in another video because more likely I'll lose it. I just take care of my tip. But anyway, when you take that tip off, my needle sticks out like maybe a 1/16 of an inch right here. And I just, you know, y'all see me doing it with my fingernail a lot of time. I clean it off. But I suggest y'all use a little piece of sponge and Windex to start off with. But take these little tips off, just like I'm doing here. Be very careful that you see it. Go into the bowl. They come with these little wrenches. You got two different size wrenches. Take this big part of the wrench right here, put it on there. It's easy. Hey, let me tell y'all something. Especially if Master Airbrush was listening, man. When some of these right here, I bought the package of 6 airbrushes. Man, some of these right here was so fucking tight. I had to take a rag and put here and couldn't hardly break it with a pair of pliers. Let me tell you, there's no sense in hell to have the damn your stuff that tight. Because what'll happen is, I'm gonna show you. This is what'll happen right here. Okay? This O-ring. See that O-ring's pretty good, but let me tell you, it was so tight I had to use a pair of pliers. And then you worry about scratching your surface. See right here, man? Like I even used a rag and I still had to scratch it some because I had to use the pliers on it, man. That's why I couldn't hardly break it with the pliers. Man, that pisses me off. Man, I say I love Master Airbrush, but I'm talking about, man, whoever's doing their stuff, man, is tightening it way too tight. So yeah, man, that kind of pisses me off. But anyway, I ain't got nothing else to say to them. But they good people, man. They just tighten their stuff up too much. It's gonna cause, like, it'll cause that to flatten out our O-ring. That O-ring won't even be no good. I hope it's good now. But anyway, it just keeps air from sucking in. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, done got me pissed. Anyway, but after everything's done, this is just this is water and dish detergent. I keep my stuff clean, so you know I don't have to use no kind of solvent or nothing. But all I clean mine with is detergent and regular water. I'll throw my stuff in here and I'll let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Matter of fact, I'm washing clothes right now, so the my timer's probably fixing to go off. But I'll just keep everything in this. In about 20 or 30 minutes, I'll come back and I'll start cleaning everything up. I got little tips, you know. I'll clean everything, make sure there ain't no debris or nothing in it. I did find this out when I first got started. What happened is you'll clean your airbrush. It'll sit in your dish detergent. But what happened is, like, you'll have some black flakes or red flakes, whatever kind of flakes it is. It'll get in behind this, okay? And when you cleaning it, you think it's good. But when you go to start airbrushing, you know, you may spray for a minute, all of a sudden it'll stop. And you're like, what? And you turn it to the side, spray it, and it looks like it comes out. But when you go do some fine detail, like in a skull, as soon as you press that button, it'll stop. And then when you do it again, boom, I mean, it'll be, oh my God, you'll have to throw the whole shirt away. I've done that a couple times, and I'm telling you, you will be mad, but it won't be nobody but your fault. You know what I'm saying? So, and then everybody asked me what all kind of airbrushes I got. Here's a model, let's see if y'all can see that. Here's two of them in this, but this is a model G44. I got, this is, I think, a 6, I can't remember. No, this is another S69 right here I bought. But this is a Siphon, and then this one right here is a Gravity. Matter of fact, I'll show you. This Siphon, this is, no, I take that back. I take that back. This right here was one I bought. It's a Neo for Iwata. I did buy Iwata. I take that back. I bought this at Hobby Lobby. They had this one on for sale. I bought this one. And this right here, I love this when I gotta do fine detail. This is my go-to. This right here is that's exactly what this is. This is a G44, and it's a gravity fed. See, and like I said, I keep everything super clean. So, but with this right here, you can take like the Wicked colors. Man, this is how I love the Wicked colors. I could take and shake it up, man, and then just put 2 drops in this thing, and that's it. I could do all my airbrush work, skull details and stuff. I really don't gotta thin that down none. And if I do, it's doing some fine detail on stuff that needs to be like highlights, you know. But that's it, man. And like I said, I use Wicked colors. I usually buy the kits, man, but like if I'm at Hobby Lobby or something like that, I'll run in there and get them. They like $6.29 a bottle. It's kind of high, but it's probably better if you buy a kit. And then I do like shirts and stuff. I use fluorescent Createx airbrush colors. I buy the bigger blacks, you know, opaque, you know, Createx colors. I got some of the bigger stuff, so. But I'm not gonna make this video too long. I said I wouldn't. I know every time I go to talking, I run on and run on and run on. But please like and subscribe to my videos. If you have any comments, please leave the comments. If you like to see some videos that I haven't showed, that you got an idea on some, please leave me a comment so I can do something. I just did that baby onesie. I think it was like 6 to 12 months. I may do a couple shirts. I'm gonna do some guns. But if y'all have any requests, man, hit me up. Let me know. I'll do something. You want me to do a you name it, man. I'll do it. Y'all have a good one, and please like and subscribe to all my videos, and please share. Thank you.